Hey everybody, Peter Majo here. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in WhatsApp. It will take only seconds to turn on that one. So if you have a new Android phone, you just open your Android phone and then just swipe up. And then if you have a new updated version, you just scroll this one. There's a dark mode. Can you see that one? You just turn on. It's now turned off. Dark mode is turned off. Now everything is white. I'm going to open my WhatsApp now. Look at that. Everything is, this is the normal when we open the WhatsApp. Now what I'm gonna do is just swipe and then go back and then just turn on the dark mode, and then there we go, we got dark mode. That's it. That's how we turn on the dark mode in our Android phone. You no need to download any plugins or any third-party applications. You will get a nice dark mode like that, dark theme. Just go scroll and then turn on not dark mode, it's a white, and then go back and dark mode. Now it's dark mode. Yeah, that's it. It's very simple, right? Yeah. If you like it, share, subscribe and turn on the notification button. If I update any new videos, you will get notification of that one. And thank you for watching. I will see you next time.